Dankeschön, Dankeschön. So. Ja, das Warnblinklicht, ne? Warnblinklicht bei Bussen irritiert sich wirklich noch, ne? Cinderella, alles klar. Selbst noch nach Jahren noch, richtig, genau. Da muss man also richtig gucken, ne? Ob ja, das Warnblinklicht eingeschaltet ist oder nicht. So, Innenspiegel, Außenspiegel, Blinker, Schulterblick. Indicator. Ein Indicator. Die Fahrschule vor uns hat keinen Blinker angemacht, aber man kann ja keinen zwingen, ne? Das geht ja nicht. So, stay here on this line, please, and we want to turn left. We make the same thing like the corner on the and you have a special green, a green with an arrow in it.
Yeah.
And this means it's only for you. It's only for you. If a car coming from the opposite, you can drive.
Okay.
Because that's the special. Yeah? This car want to park. Oh, boah, was ist denn da passiert jetzt gerade? Boah, habt ihr gesehen, was da gewackelt ist? Oh, gut. So, hinter dir ein Motorrad. Ne? Pass auf.
Yeah.
Let them pass. And then it can go. But inside, outside, side look. Yeah, before you start.
Yeah.
No, look inside, outside, side look before you start. We never make this wrong. Yeah, never make
No.
this. Yeah? Let them go. You have time. Yeah, you have time. That's everything is okay.
No.
Oh God. That is a kangaroo.
Okay.
A kangaroo. A kangaroo. And go. Look inside, outside, indicator. Yeah, indicator is not necessary. Go please, go please, go please, go please. Right before left.
Yeah.
And here also right before left. Slow down, slow down. Let them know that you wait. Let them know that you wait. Let them know that you wait. And here you come now. So look inside, outside, and go. Inside, outside, and go. 30 is limit. On the lamp, you turn right.
Okay.
Slow down. On the lamp,